Hey y'all, Austin here. And in this video, we're going to take a closer look at scenes inside of QuickLink StudioPro and how they help you build and organize your productions. So, let's get into it.
Your scenes act as canvases for your show and somewhat mirror MEs. We actually like to call them the evolution of MEs as they offer a lot more flexibility and possibilities. Scenes can be simple or complex depending on what you need. You might use a single camera, or you can include some graphics, audio sources, and multiple layers. Your scenes are displayed along the center of the interface. The top row represents your program scenes, shown in red, and the bottom row indicates your preview row, shown in green. Clicking through your scenes will load each one into the preview monitor. If I want to take any of these live, I just select one of my transitions and I cut that into program. You can rename scenes pretty quickly by just right-clicking on a scene, select rename, we'll call this one quad, and then clicking enter. I could also move my scenes around within my timeline to make my show in a little bit of a smoother order. By default, StudioPro gives you 24 scenes per page. Then you have an additional page totaling at 48. If I want to expand this, I can just go to my settings tab here. So open that up, move over to advanced, and I scroll down to scene configuration. Now if I want to expand my scenes, I can go up to 120 different scenes. Once I apply it, you'll see the expansion show here, right next to my preview program row. I could also do a combined preview program if I want to get more onto one screen. So showing here in the background, I have from scenes 1 to 48, and I can click through those, bring those into my preview. I could also enable scene change by a double click. So once I apply that, hit OK, I can now double click on my program row, bringing scenes directly into my program. So this is great for fast-paced productions. Now once you learn these tools, navigating scenes becomes very quick and very flexible. They help you build your show, stay organized, and switch confidently during live production.
That's a quick overview of how scenes work in QuickLink StudioPro. For more tutorials, visit our YouTube channel or go to support.quicklink.tv. I'll catch you in the next one.